Okay, so I'm going to show you how to upload your file so that I can print it for you when you're finished. So when you're in, you're going to click the TinkerCAD in the upper left corner, and it's going to take you to this screen. So that colorful blocks in the upper left corner that say TinkerCAD. Click on your design. We're going to click Download on your design from this screen. From here, there's a button that says .stl. That's what we want. We're going to click .stl, and it takes us to this screen. It should be named with your last name and keychain, and click Open in Schoology. When we click Open in Schoology, we're going to have an option to submit it to an assignment. So you're going to click that and find the right class, and then you want to find the assignment that says Keychain.